Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about the MCQ regarding dipole. Okay, so first of all our first MCQ is based on general knowledge. Okay, our topic is dipole and first MCQ is on axis of electric dipole. Angle between dipole moment and electric field is. Okay, options are 0, 90, 45 and 180. So you have to remember that the direction of electric field is from positive to negative, while for the dipole there is an vector quantity called dipole moment. Okay, electric field is also vector quantity. So for dipole you have to consider the direction of dipole moment, and the direction of dipole moment is negative to positive. Okay, so the angle between them is, you can consider from the sign that uh, angle between them is 180. Okay, so if you consider only one sign p, positive and negative, then the direction of electric field is positive to negative, while the direction of dipole moment is negative to positive. So you can clearly see this, that the angle between electric field and dipole moment is 180 because both are opposite to each other. Okay, our now see second MCQ, that is about dipole moment. Electric field intensity at the center of electric dipole is. Okay, so here first we consider an electric dipole. So here it is in plus p, plus q and minus q charge, and distance between them is 2a. Okay, now at the center point. Okay, so we consider a point O, that is center of this dipole. Okay, so now the electric field due to this positive charge at center O is in the direction towards the negative charge. So we can write the electric field due to positive charge at center is E plus, and it has direction in towards the negative charge, and same negative charge has some electric field at center, but the direction is also in the also towards the in towards the negative charge, and that is we consider as E minus. Electric field due to negative charge is E minus, and electric field due to positive charge is E plus. So calculate the net charge. So we consider E as a net charge. So E will be E sum of E plus plus E minus. Okay, now we can write E plus is the electric field due to positive charge, and that will be k q upon distance between what? Distance between center and positive charge, and that will be a. So a square. Okay, similarly for negative charge it will be k q upon a square. Okay, and here we take the direction of this axis is x axis. So here we can write the unit vector I for both. So here the final answer is 2kq upon a square I. Okay, now see in the option. Okay, minus kp upon a cube, infinite 0, minus kp upon a cube, minus 2 kp upon a cube. Okay, so actually in our answer we have only a square in denominator, so we have to make it a cube. So how can we make it a cube? By multiplying and divide with a. So here we will multiply and divide with a gives us k 2 into a. We will rearrange this term as 2a into q and upon a cube. So we can write here k 2a into q. It gives us dipole moment of given dipole, and that will be denoted by p upon a cube. Okay, so our answer will be E equal to kp upon a cube. Okay, now remember our first MCQ. The direction between electric field and dipole moment will be opposite to each other, so we have to put negative sign here. Okay, so our right option will be minus kp upon a cube, and that is A. Okay, now we will see about the third MCQ. The electric dipole moment of an HCl atom is 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 13 centimeter. No, it is actually coulomb into meter. Okay, so remember it and don't be confused into C and M. Okay, it is actually coulomb into meter. The charge on both atoms are unlike and of same magnitude, means we have to consider here a dipole. Okay, because it has unlike charge and same magnitude of the charge is dash, the distance between the charge is 2a. So it's so simple actually. We have dipole moment, and that is 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 13 coulomb into meter, and distance between them, okay, distance between actually two charge is 1 angstrom, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So and we have to find here charge. So from the formula of dipole moment, P equal to Q into 2a. So we can write here Q is equal to P upon 2a. Okay, we are considering about magnitude only, so we ignore the sign of vector. So now P is 3.4 and 10 raised to minus 3, sorry, minus 13, and distance is 10 raised to minus 10. So here by simplifying this we get 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 20. So our right answer will be what? C, option B, 3.4 into 10 raised to minus 20 coulomb. That is our right answer. Okay, 4 MCQ is dipole moment of an electric dipole is 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb into meter. The electric field intensity at a point of distance 1 meter and make an angle 60 degree with the center of dipole is dash, and options are given. Okay, now you realize that we have only two kind of formula, and that are for intensity of electric field for dipole. We have only two kind of formula which we study in textbook or in theory or in class. Okay, and that are the formula for axis of dipole and equilateral point. Okay, so what are they? For any dipole, minus q charge and plus q charge. Okay, so and distance between them is 2a, then we consider a point at the axis of dipole P. So that is the P has electric field is EP. We can find by the formula 2kp upon z cube. And another point we can consider at the equilateral point of this dipole, here y. So for formula, for electric field at y, we have formula E equal to minus kp upon y cube. Okay, but now we have to find the electric field formula for a point x which make an angle 60 degree at the center of this dipole. Okay, so first of all you have to understand that for this point angle between angle at center of dipole is 90 degree, and for this point angle at center is here theta is 90 degree and here theta is 0 degree. But now we have to find the electric field at 60 degree. Okay, so don't be confused and don't be sad. We will study about a new formula which gives us the electric field for dipole at any angle, and that is Kp upon r cube under root 3 cos square theta plus 1. Okay, so you must have to remember this formula. Don't go into derivation of this formula. Okay, you just have to remember this formula. In this formula, k is constant, p is dipole moment, r is distance between them, and theta is the angle which is random angle. Okay, so now put the formula which is given here. K is 9 into 10 raised to 9 and p is dipole moment which is 2 into 10 raised to minus 8. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by distance between them is 1 meter. So we have to write 1 cube. Okay, and in the under root 3 and cos square theta means here angle is 60 degree. So cos square 60 plus 1. Okay, so now simplify it. 2 into 9 that is 18 and 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to minus 8 gives us 10 raised to 1, and in denominator there is 1 cube that is equal to 1, so ignore it. Now in under root 3 into cos square 60. Now you have to remember that cos 60 is 1 by 2, so cos square 60 will be 1 by 4 plus 1. So here 180 into 10 raised to 18 into 10 raised to 1 is 180, and in the under root we have 7 by 4. Okay, take it LCM, you can find it. It's answer of it 7 by 4. So here 180 and the square root of 4 is 2, and in under root only 7 remaining value. So calculate 19 into under root 7 gives us the value 238.1. Now see in the option B is our right answer, 238.1. okay, and see last MCQ. An electric dipole consists of two opposite charges 1 microcoulomb, each separated by a distance 2 cm, is placed in an electric field of 10 raised to 5 volt per meter. Okay, so here we given a value of charge, value of distance between two charge, and the value of electric field. The work done for rotation of this dipole from equilibrium to 180 degree is this. So here we have to find the, okay, in this numerical we have to find the work done. Okay, so work done required for displacement of dipole in uniform electric field is given by the value of work is equal to P into E into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay, now in the statement we have value of charge that is 1 microcoulomb that is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. Okay, distance between two charges is 2a and that is given by 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter that is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, electric field is E is equal to 10 raised to 5 volt per meter, and angle R. Okay, so now you have to understand that you have to rotate the dipole from equilibrium to 180. So you must have to remember that in equilibrium condition angle is theta 1. We are taking here for equilibrium angle theta 1, and that is equal to 0, and from 0 to we have to rotate it to 180 degree. Okay, so now put the all value. Okay, see here in the formula we have p into e, but in the statement we don't have the value of p, but instead of p we are given here the charge and the distance between them. So instead of p we can write here q into 2a e and cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So now put the value. Q is 10 raised to minus 6 into distance between them is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, and e is 10 raised to 5, and cos theta 1, that is initial angle, and initial angle is 0, minus we have to rotate it to 180 degree, so cos 180. So simplifying it, 2 as it is, and this is 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 are 10 raised to minus 8, and this is 10 raised to 5, so it will simplifying by 10 raised to minus 3. In the bracket cos 0 is 1 minus cos 180, that is also, sorry, that is actually minus 1, so it will gives us 4 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, so now see in the option we have the first value 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is our answer. So I hope you get some interesting knowledge and you get this formula. So if you like this formula, please like my video and subscribe my channel.